Hi besties, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's for the two of us. Anyways, if you're new watching here, hi there, my name is Celestina, but you can call me Cele or Celeste. Hi Beatrice.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight.
Today we decided to do how do you say cookathon. Yeah. Today we are doing cookathon, like cooking for like the whole week or like weekend too. Like we just want to cook a lot and put it in the fridge so that we don't have to like get up and cook again or something. Okay. So yes, that's what we're going to do. So do all night with us. Do you guys like wash like new things before you use them, or you just use it?
You have to wash them.
Wash what? Me, I cannot.
I don't know that.
Anyway, yeah. It's Afro, baby. I like your hair. It's Afro. Oh no, the girl's like, I like your hair. He said, thank you. It's Afro. Thank you. It's Afro. We can say that again. Thank you. It's Afro. I look cute. What do you think?
Sometimes.
Beatrice, you're supposed to be telling me that you look cute every single day.
Sometimes you look cute.
I'm always cute.
Sometimes.
I'm always cute. Yeah. What time do you think we are going to be done? Just guess.
Me, once it's time, it's time. Oh.
We are doing cookathon, so that means there has to be a timer.
I said once.
Once the time is
Me, once it's time, it's time. I don't
Which
care.
time?
Time to sleep.
You know what is funny? Tomorrow is Sunday. I don't know who will wake up early at this point. Lila boy is ready. The way my younger sister is so obsessed with Lila boy.
Benna boy is a very nice person. I like his voice. Yeah. Like he has a feel. I don't know how to explain it. That man is on fire.
It's on what?
He's on fire. He's so good. I like
Fashion of Benna boy.
Oh yeah, Benna boy is cute.
Hey, did you just say that?
Benna boy is the whole party.
Hey.
It's like
I don't think it's bitter.
it's bitter.
This is bitter.
But I didn't know you. You like that? You will understand.
Shout out to Maria. Maria.
Angel. Mariam, you are an angel.
Mariam. I love you so much.
You are sweeter than sugar.
Oh, funny.
You are the best.
Yeah, she.
No, you.
Nigerians do get like musicians, but
Oh, I ended up turning the door and that was it.
maybe like they were expecting someone to kill.
Nothing.
Mm.
Out of nowhere, this old man just came out with a gun. Oh.
Oh, I think I heard that story you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Do you need a lead or something?
What is?
Oh, no.
Yeah. That'll help.
It's the large one. It's like
Yes,
this
the
one.
big one.
Whoop, whoop. Don't fall. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, the oil is coming, guys. Let me show you guys. Yes, we're going to use microphone.
It's not that song that they'll be dancing and be doing there.
Yeah.
Don't add this though.
Which
Don't
one?
add this to this video.
What? That's what I'm even going to add. When did you turn your light on?
Like, will I be able to see what is going on here?
These tomatoes don't respect so. What were you doing? Open that. Okay. It's boiling, guys. Big knives. No, good. I'm suffering. They'll see you having things and they think it's expensive.
Dripping on a low, sister.
Maxwell dripping on a low. Finally. If they use this on your head, will you survive?
Sometimes.
You won't.
It depends on what you eat that day.
How is your survival depending on what you eat?
Depends on what you eat that day. And it depends on the problems you're facing. Oh, you can just use that as an opportunity to go your way.
You remember the story they said, like, a car was passing by and, like, you know how, like, she was in the wind. For what? It's right here. You know that story they say a car was passing by and then a man was very, very hungry. My junior high teacher used to say he was very, very hungry. So you see how when the car always do film and that wind, no? What do you call it? Yeah, always do, no? So like it was so close to the man. So the man just fell down. And then they were just trying to like help they thought him. They thought he collapsed, so they were just trying to help. And then they're just doing any suggestion that like comes to their mind. In my mind, is it because it's a story, or you could have just sent the person to the hospital? So the man, they were not doing suggestions. Someone said, let's send him to the hospital. Someone said, let's do this. Someone said,
I think I remember that.
You remember that? And then, like he woke up like, someone said, let's go and buy him gobe. And then he turned and said, La coco, like plantain.
I didn't hear that part. I heard a part that they said they were all doing, like someone said they should do this, someone said do this.
Yes.
So everybody was bringing their suggestions.
Yes.
And then one boy said, let's give him mashke. And then he said, listen to the small boy.
This one they said La coco, like gobe, and it's just a fried plantain. He now woke up and was like, and fried plantain. If it is you, what will you do? Me, I'll just walk home. I'll not even mind.
Oh yeah, walk home, baby.
So it's hunger that made you to fall down.
That's what I was telling you. It depends on what you eat that day.
It's really true. It depends on what you eat that day.
And it depends on the problems you're facing.
Oh,
you might just use that as opportunity to go your way.
Okay, I'm going to try these cutie shapes on the fruits. I hope you like it. I hope it comes out good.
My boy was in Obe.
The pattern mel here, Baba.
Oh, man,
I'm doing well. Tin too.
You don't have to. Maybe I'm going to Obi. Maybe I'm going to when you air fry la wala dol ba ha. It better work.
It better work.
Because air fryer should be able.
They didn't test it for you people.
Oh, but you in the tester.
I feel like it's not good.
This is enough for the stew.
Okay.
You will add. Let me see how much I have for the soup. Oh, I have enough. You will know what is funny. I almost remove all the. Yeah. We need something here to be put in our.
That table need to be there.
We have to go for that table again.
Where will we see it after throwing it out? Ah. You don't have to fall. I'm doing cutie. Is that black cherry? Yay! I'm struggling with the thing. Someone needs to teach me how to do it.
My ears were the tabon.
I'm such a kid. I love it. It's so fun. Bad.
I pass la rubber. Pass la rubber. Okay, I just wait like. They give me papa. This is penny. Can you give me? I never give us that to this extent. That's too much.
That's too much.
That's too much
For you.
That's the lose. We really know.
More.
I like FSU. Who are losing like they don't have a coach.
FSU lose more.
They're losing. They don't want to give it. They're the coach.
Off before 3 and they came. We'll tell you guys the rest of the food, okay? Bye. Hi besties, guess what? We are done and I'm going to show you guys what we did, okay? Yes, okay. So finally we are done and this is what we got. This is jollof rice. This is dawa rice, right? Yeah, and this is groundnut soup. And I don't even know what we're preparing. And this is stew. This is another stew. Well, we did well though. Yes. And so we had the main cook. You know, when you're doing cookathon, we always have like the chef and the supporting chef, right? So we had the main cook and the supporting cook. I was the back cooker. You know, they always say that the singer has a backup singer, right? So I was the backup cook and Beatrice was the main cook. But well, in all, we are done, and that is what. Hooray! So we're going to clean up. We already clean up. We're going to bath and take a sleep, and then yeah, we'll eat it when we want to. When we want you guys to know. But yeah, you see how we clean everywhere. Let me show you guys. You see how the sink is very clean. The stove is clean, and we have our trash here because it's late. We'll send it home. Hey, we'll send it to the trash tomorrow. We'll send it out tomorrow. Everything is clean. That is very demure. That is very mindful. That is very thoughtful. To clean your stove, clean your sink when you're done. Alright guys. So I'm gonna leave you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you watch up to this point. I love you guys, bestie. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Call my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. Override, always on my mind.